Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I want to do a fresh spring Easter appropriate makeup look, and this is the look that I did, and this is the look that you guys will learn today. I just wanted to do one last spring makeup look because, well, spring isn't even over, but I kind of consider Easter spring, and you know. But I was thinking like, okay, what's a chill but also fun pop of color makeup look for Easter appropriate? And I feel like this is it right here. We have the peaches, we have the teal, and I feel like pastel colors, peachy colors, teal colors scream Easter or scream spring. So this is the makeup look. Oh my god, I just realized it's kind of like a flower, like the stem and then the flower is colorful. Stapling, so cute. So yeah, pretty much I'm just doing this quick and easy. It is very easy. It might look a little intimidating with the color, but this makeup look was very easy and very fast. So if you need a last minute spring fresh makeup look, I suggest to do this one. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to do it, just keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Dang, this is like I think the earliest I've got up to film. It is currently 9:54, so I already straightened my hair, did these brows. I'm drinking my water with my reusable straw. I don't know, I just can't drink out the cup, so. Alright, so I am going to be doing a spring Easter fresh makeup look. I want to do something with like turquoise or teal because that's really like Easter vibes, I feel like, but I'm not sure how I want to incorporate that. Not too much, just a little pop. So I'm literally just telling you guys my thoughts right now because I'm not gonna start off with the eyes. I'm actually gonna start with the face again. I did that for my last video and I actually liked having my face base on and then doing the eyes. It gives me a lot more of an image. So that's what we're going to do. So to prime my face, I'm first going to go in with my First Sally Skin Tune Blur. And I'm going to focus this primer pretty much where I get my pores. Like right here, and on the nose, and on the chin. My last video was the first time that I used this primer and I actually really like it. It's just, I bought the small bottle because the big ones are pretty pricey, like 54 bucks, and this one was 20. So I wanted to make sure that I like it first because last time I bought a full-size bottle of the gold elixir one and I hated that one. So I was like, let me get a small one. But every time I get the small one, I end up liking it. So yeah, but we're just going to apply this primer right here, and it smells fresh too. It's not like a strong scent. It's kind of like cucumber. And then for the rest of my face, oh my god, you can kind of see like a white cast, or is it a shine? I don't know, but it turned really red right here. But I'm gonna take my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright face primer and apply that on the outer part and on my forehead. I just straightened my hair after fresh hair, so I have all these flyaways. Leave a comment down below if you have a suggestion on some pomades because I have a lot of like little frizzy hairs up here. Alright, so now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Infallible foundation. I am in the shade 455 Natural Buff. So I'm going to use this foundation. I like this one because it's super lightweight, so it doesn't feel like a thick and heavy foundation, but it gives you that good coverage. And yeah, so we want that fresh spring makeup look. Kind of difficult to find a foundation at a drugstore, I feel like. Well, for me, I don't know, but this one has been by far my favorite one that I have picked up from the drugstore. It's very inexpensive and I love the coverage, and it's good for everyday foundation because again, it is super lightweight, but then you can also build it up to get some more coverage. I get like the most discoloration around my nose, and I have to like pack on foundation or concealer or whatever, but I don't like doing that because then I feel like that's where it gets the most cakey or like separates the most. So I don't know, hopefully this primer helps me out with that. So I'm gonna take this Real Techniques brush and just brush around my nose pierce because that's where it kind of It's kind of hard to get in with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge with foundation. See, I love this foundation because it looks like skin. Like, it's usually sometimes if you wear like a thick foundation that's like full coverage, you can tell that you have like a full-on layer. But this one, if you look up close, like you could still see my little beauty marks, and you want to embrace those. So that's why I like it. I hope it matches. Yeah, whatever. It does. Okay, so now moving on to concealer. Nothing new. I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. I'm not gonna add another concealer to brighten up. Usually I would, but again, this is Easter. We want to be settled. We want to be fresh, so we're keeping it natural. Ooh, see, I just love concealer. Look at that. Just woke me up, brightened my face. Okay, so now to set under the eyes, I am taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder and using that same Soda Kashuk beauty sponge just to set under my eyes. I like to put a lot around my nose area because that's the area where I get like the most oily throughout the day. And we don't want no oils popping through. So I'm just using that powder for under my eyes and like my T-zone area. And then I'm gonna go into my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Banana Bread. And I like to use this one to set my whole face because this one has more of like, this one has more of a tint and like it gives my face a tan-ish. So I like to just take the beauty sponge and just pack it all over. And then I go in with the powder brush and just brush it away. Alright, so I'm taking out this baby, which is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Look at how messed up and dirty this is. I used to use this all the time, but I haven't touched it in a while, so I was like, maybe I can use this for today's look. So I'm gonna go into the shade Creamsicle, which is like this yellow, muted yellow shade. I'm using a Morphe M441 blending brush, and that's just going to be focused into the crease. So now I'm gonna go into my little Dose of Colors X I Love Study palette, and I'm gonna take the shade what's the name of this one? Wonderlust? Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Finders Keepers, I'm pretty sure. Loungy, I really don't get this name, but I'm gonna take this peachy shade right here on a Morphe Y16 brush, and that's going to be focused into the crease as well. So as I'm blending, I went back into my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm kind of putting the shade onto the lid, but also blending it so it kind of puts it all over, like so. And I'm also taking a little bit on my finger just to put the shadow all over the lid. This one does not have to be perfect. We just want the shadow everywhere. And then we can go back into Creamsicle and bring that shade back a little bit. Just put it above the crease area. I want to keep this eye look super matte and like on the peachy side. So I'm going to go into my Sigma Corderosa blush using a Morphe M514. Oh my god. Did I buy the wrong? Anyway, so I just put, whatever. So I'm taking my Morphe M514 brush, taking that Sigma blush, and just applying a little bit onto the lid because I want it to be more peachy and pinkish kind of rather than orange. So I'm gonna apply that. So I'm gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and take the shade Jada, this one right here. I'm probably going to mix it with a little bit of, maybe I'll go into the Thirsty palette. I'm not too sure. I'm just gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill one first, and I might add these two. Not too sure yet. So I am taking that shade Jada or Jada. I'm not even too sure. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush, and we're just going to pack that under. I'm gonna need a lot of bronzer because I'm looking pale right now. Alright, I'm not too sure how I'm liking this yet. I think I just need to finish the look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I'm going to be using my Baddie B Saucy lashes. I have never tried these. Oh, I usually use the Instaho ones. Those are my go-tos. But these are on the natural and lighter side. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these. And I think it's going to pull the look together because right now I'm a little iffy. But I'm going to go ahead and put these on and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so I went ahead and applied these lashes into mascara, and I can definitely say that it's coming together, but your girl needs to bronze and highlight and put some blush on because I feel like a flat white canvas. So we are going to move, oh, by the way, these lashes are very nice. I like them because they're more on the natural side. I say natural because the Instahome ones are like full on blown out, and these you can actually see the eye look, so I'm loving them. Happy I branched out. So anyways, moving on to the bronzer, I'm taking my Benefits Hula bronzer, and I'm pretty much just going to bronze all over. Not too much of a contour, just bronze. So now for blush, I'm going to take my Sigma Corda Rosa blush, the one that I used on my eyes, and I'm using a Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush to apply it. And you could really pack on this blush so it can tie in with the eyes, and it's spring, so I'm gonna look cute and flirty. Alright, so again, before I go in with the highlight, I like to spray my face, so I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, I'm not hating this look after all. At first I was like, I don't know. So now I'm taking my Benefits 24-Hour Brow Setter to set these brows into place. Okay, so now for highlight, I am taking my little baby Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby. I have the full size, but I ran out, and they need to make like a full size of just Hustle Baby because the other one has like half and half, but I just want this one. So I'm going to be applying this as my highlight. I'll start with the nose, take it on my finger, just pat it. And then I'm taking my Morphe M501 brush. And I'd like to go in with my fan brush and just pretty much put it all over. And then I think I'm gonna use this highlight to highlight my inner corner. So I'm taking this Morphe M515 brush, and I'm just going to apply this highlight into the inner corner. See, I love highlighting the inner corner. I feel like it brings the whole look together. Okay, so now for the lips, I'm going to do another combo. So I have my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner, and then on top of that, I'm gonna put my main, which is a Desi X Katy collab with Dose of Colors. And then on top of that, it's gonna be my Fenty Gloss Bomb. I think this lip combo worked very well. Oh my god. Alright guys, so that concludes today's makeup look. I just wanted to do another fresh spring makeup look, Easter appropriate. Easter is literally this weekend. I swear this year is flying by so fast. So I just wanted to do another spring appropriate makeup look. I feel like this is very spring, the teal, the peach, spring vibes. I've actually done this look before on my channel, but I think I definitely amped it up. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angels channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Stay blooming. I hope you guys all have an amazing, fun, family-filled Easter, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.